daily routines are game changing when it comes to setting and achieving your goals. And as aesthetically pleasing as that goal and reset my live videos have been, like being consistent with those daily cute habits can really transform like our outlook on life and our realities as well. So I'm taking you on the journey of cleaning my room for the new month and sharing my new approach for resetting my life on a monthly basis as well. And hopefully this video can inspire you. So as part of my resetting for the month, or resetting for the new year, even though it's a bit late now routine, I need to clean my room. It's a bit messy in places. I have like laundry that's been stacked up that I need to sort out. So that's what I'm going to be doing, cleaning my room. I'm going to make a list and just work from the list. I definitely need to vacuum. That's long overdue. Need to sort out my laundry. I want to get this laundry basket being somewhat empty by the end of this week. So working on that. I need to like clean out my drawers with my clothes, take out the clothes I don't want anymore, probably put them in the bag, donate them to charity, get rid of like the plates or the cups or the mugs that I have in here because there's no need for it at this point. And like wipe out my drawers and that sort of thing, and then I think I should be good to go. For the most part, I'm not that messy. I've just been a bit slack over the past few days or few like couple of weeks.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
So the things I have left to do is officially day 2. I need to make my beds. I need to clean a dresser over there. I have a suitcase full of clothes that I need to figure out like what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to give away. I need to vacuum. I won't show the clip because it's going to take too long, and I think I should be finally done after that. So we are making progress. These are the clothes that I'm definitely keeping. I want to give some of these clothes away. I just need to figure out who they're going to. There's some stuff that are going in the bin. This is my DIY bag for when I get my sewing machine and start sewing. And we can just ignore those clothes at the moment. I have a plan for them, but I'm not going to say yet. So I just need to tidy up this space, and then my suitcase situation will be done.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. I wish you away. Really wanna run, just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I wanted to be in the openness of nature to record this, and I'm talking about what I'm going to be doing here on out to reset my life on a monthly basis, to make sure that the things that I have on my vision board that I'm going to be working towards them, or having ways or means of resetting and picking up the things that I probably dropped, and making sure that I'm maintaining the things that I am working on as well. So hopefully there's tips or things that you can pull. So the first thing I want to say is just embrace the chapter that you're in. I know if you're anything like me, you're looking at your vision board on a daily basis and you're thinking, look, I can't wait to get to the end of the year and have this as being my reality. But I think there's so much beauty in enjoying where you are now, and even like the mundane or the routine tasks that you feel like you have to do. So there's things like cooking, for instance, where at first it was like I hated coming home after work and having to cook, and it would take up so much time. But now I'm just really trying to enjoy it and not seeing it as something that I have to do, but as something that I enjoy doing it. And I'm even looking at like new recipes that I can maybe cook to help me with my meal prep, which is one of my goals, to improve like my fitness and gain weight overall. So I think finding beauty in those small things and find ways to enjoy the little things that you have to do. The second thing I'll say is reflect, and I'm going to be doing this by reflecting in my journal, so writing down at least like 3 positives for the month, or things that I know I did well, or 3 things that I could have improved on, or like 3 negatives, and seeing from there like what do I really need to pick up. For example, because I've broken my goals down into sections, so it may be like a physical goal, like I didn't exercise enough, and looking at that and seeing, okay, this is what I'm going to do to tackle that. I think it's a great way of making sure that you're staying on top of your goals. Definitely have like a gratitude journal, or write down the things that you're grateful for. And I think when you're going through those bad days, as we all go through, then you'll be able to look back at that list and say, oh, I really did that well, or I know I'm happy about this, or happy that I have that in my life. And it's a way of like affirming yourself on those tough days, and giving yourself like the motivation, or giving yourself something that you can pull from when you feel like you don't have it in you to keep going or to keep trying. That just because you have your vision boards, it's great to review it on like a monthly basis or a quarterly basis, but it doesn't mean that your goals are set in stone. It may be a case where you get to the middle of the year, or you get to like the second quarter, and you have to pivot in a big way because your mindset has changed, or things has changed that has impacted what your focus should be, and that's completely okay. I just think it's so important then to make sure that you're revisiting your goals, or maybe adding to that list, or ticking things off as you accomplish it, to make sure that those goals are still smart, that is still like relevant, for example, or that is still attainable, for example. Or maybe you may have to shift like the time factor that you put towards a certain goal to make it work for you, as things have been changing around you so much. Definitely revisit it so that you can stay in alignment with the goals that you've written down. I think sometimes we are so quick to like beat ourselves up for the things that we fall down on, or the mistakes that we made, but I think it's equally so important to like big yourself up for your accomplishments. So looking at my vision board, for example, there was a goal that I wrote down where I want to save X amount for the year, and I recognized that I got to like the middle of January. It's like I've been doing so well, not making like convenient purchases. I've been getting like the bus instead of an Uber, when I'm getting my groceries and things like that. So I was able to look at my goal this month and say, look, I really did well. And instead of like saying, look, I'm not spending 1 dime on myself, I bought myself a little something, and it was just a way to congratulate myself and say, look, well done. And I was able to make that guilt-free purchase because I was putting aside the money, or saving what I needed to make sure that I could enjoy myself, enjoy spending in other ways. So definitely stay on track of your goals, but don't be so strict with yourself that you don't give yourself room to enjoy life, or enjoy the journey that you're on, or the chapter that you're in. So that is it for this video, guys. Just in case I didn't say, I'm Rebecca, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment, and let me know what you're doing to make sure you're staying on top of your goals for this year. And check out the last vision board video that I shared as well, because it's somewhat of a precursor to this one. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care for now. Bye.